How to upgrade to Spotify Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can upgrade to Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Well, if you want to upgrade to Spotify Premium, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open up the Spotify application over here and you will see this type of interface where first of all you can currently see that I have got a free account, right? So now if I want to actually upgrade to premium, you'll find the premium option from the bottom right of the screen over here. Then once you tap on the premium option from the bottom right, you'll find this option called get premium option. So there are also other plans, by the way, but Spotify always gives you the individual plan because they want to charge more money from you. So obviously that's obvious, but if you want family plan or duo plan or whatever else it is you prefer, just tap on get those plan option. By the way, if you're on iPhone, you won't find this option in the app, so you have to go to your browser and find it by going to spotify.com. Now choose how you want to pay, the Visa card or something directly, or you can also choose to pay with your Google Play account, depending on whichever is comfortable for you. Add your payment method and you'll be able to pay them. This way you can upgrade to Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.